take my laptop out? Quick question. I was wondering if can you roller skate or any of that stuff down here?
Inside the terminal?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, there's not the skateboards through all the time.
I see them doing it. I just want to make sure. I don't want to get arrested or anything.
They'll probably stop you like,
Appreciate
hey, you may need to get out.
Okay. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah. What's going on, vlog? You know, y'all just see me go through there to get checked and everything. Make sure I'm going the right way. B17, I think is this way straight. But anyway, welcome back to the vlog. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. The channel growing, y'all. Let's continue growing this positivity and keep it going, keep it moving. Right now, as you can see, roller skating through the airport right now. Thought I would get arrested, but I guess not. That's how people always come to the terminal, always on their skateboards and things like that. So I guess I asked to see if I could skate, and they said yeah. So hopefully I don't get arrested or anything. But I'm heading to my terminal right now. Probably do a little bit of skating once I get there. Set the camera up, do a little bit of skating. Yeah, enjoy it. But I'm heading to Milwaukee. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. You'll know I'm coming to Milwaukee. I wanted to skate with the best skaters in Milwaukee, but unfortunately, the way this coronavirus and all that stuff is kind of happening, it's kind of slowed everything down in Milwaukee. But I still have fun. Still got some of my little brothers that I'm gonna be kicking it with when I get to Milwaukee. But stay prepared. It's gonna be fun. We'll do some chill vlogs and enjoy ourselves. Appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. Pro skate. I need to start bringing this more often. It's actually easier to walk through here. I mean, it's not easier to walk through here than as it is to skate through here. So I can see why people bring their skateboards. Check it out. Also, my waves too. Make sure y'all check that out on my Instagram. Catching up to my little brother. He think his waves better than mine, so I'm gonna show him how the waves supposed to look. I used to have waves a long time ago, but unfortunately, I got rid of them a long time ago. Yeah, check it out. Let's see if I can set this camera up. I don't board my flight till 6:30, so I'm gonna chill out for a little bit and skate around for a little bit. Watch my feet. gonna find somewhere where nobody really is, so that I can do some skating, at least a little bit, before everybody start coming in here. Give me a second. We'll set up somewhere. Probably like right here or something. We'll set up something. 1 second. What's going on, vlog? How y'all doing today? Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Today, as if you see me on Instagram, if you got me on Instagram, you know that I'm heading to Milwaukee, back home to see my family, see my mama and them. You'll get a chance to see them, and just get a chance to see some of my other friends. Probably not all of them, because it's what's going on in the city now. Probably won't have a chance to really see everybody, just because coronavirus and all that stuff. Everybody ain't able to come outside. Some people camping in the house, so probably won't be able to see them. But I'm still gonna head there, see the people that I can see, and just, you know, get a chance to see that. I actually was planning on not booking this flight, but when I booked it, not booking it. I was planning on not going on the flight, but for like 3 or 4 days, I've been on like hold for like forever for this airport. So I would have been missing out on the money that I spent as far as going on the flight and getting to Milwaukee. So instead of losing out on that money, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go. You know, and yeah, I booked the flight, then I booked the actual ticket to go. Actual hotel room. So, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and take that chance and take this flight, get to Milwaukee, see my family, and just take it as it is. I'm just gonna try to be as safe as possible, wash my hands and all that stuff, whatever necessary to make sure I get it done. But on a good note, like I said, I'm heading home. We'll get it in today. I'll let y'all know. I'll be able to see everything from the flight to when I land. I'm gonna try to do a little demo real quick as far as skating in the airport, which I thought I might go to jail for, but they told me I should be good as far as being able to do it. So we'll do a little bit of skating, and then we'll head from here. We'll get on the flight, get to Milwaukee, and then yeah, go to my mom's house. And then after my mom's house, we'll head straight to my hotel room. It ain't open. It ain't ready. Ain't gonna be ready till about 3. So we'll get to the hotel room and get booked in. I'll probably take me a nap or some sleep or something like that, because I haven't had a chance to do that. But appreciate y'all for staying tuned. Make sure y'all check me out when I get there. Let's get in. I'm about to do a little skating. Since I'm waiting on my flight, might as well go ahead and get a little skating in. Not do too much, but I wanted to skate in the airport because I got my skates out. They said I can skate, so let's get it in. It's slippery in here. It's definitely ain't no skating floor, I'll tell you that. But we'll get it in anyway. It's like a lot of people starting to pour in now. So we'll do a little skating once everybody get past us real quick. And we'll go from there. Alright, now, just a little bit. We ain't doing too much. I'm gonna be skating anyway towards where we're going anyway. So let's get in. Yes, sir. People act like they ain't never seen somebody skating in the airport before. It probably ain't normal, because you don't really see these type of skates, you know, OGs and stuff like that in buildings like this. So I can see where they're coming from. But might throw in a little bit of skating vlogs, little skating, little sessions that I might have here. just for the hell of it, just as I can. Check me out.
Attention please. Due to the TSA, Transportation Security Administration regulations, unattended bags are prohibited in or out of all central terminal areas and are subject to security search. Thank you for visiting the Dallas Fort Worth International Airport.
Appreciate y'all for coming back. So I made it to Milwaukee. As you can see from the video, you see me on the flight touching down or whatever. So I'm with my little brother right now. I also got two of my other little brothers that actually came with me. This is actually the next day, so this ain't even the day that I actually touched down, just because I was too tired. And so I'm sorry I didn't show y'all all that footage. But today, we also gonna have another little small video coming out as far as us skating or something like that. We're gonna figure out something to do with this coronavirus stuff going on, so we ain't gonna be able to do as much as we wanted to do when I was gonna come down here. But appreciate y'all for making sure I made it safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you look for it.
The ice cream was so good until you said down here.
I did say down here?
Yeah.
My bad. Lil bro said I said down here. I meant up here. So I came from Texas and up here to Milwaukee. Before he correct me again, if you want to correct me again, you want to say it again?
Yeah, it was up there. It's up there.
I mean, I see I ended the video, but somebody got something to say afterwards because I said something wrong. So appreciate y'all for staying tuned. You get on my nerves, man. See y'all in the next one.